After calling a key witness, a psychiatrist who consulted on cases like Jeffrey Dahmer and Andrea Yates.
Your Honor, Lindsay Clancy rests her case.
Resnick evaluated Lindsay in May of 2023 and diagnosed her with bipolar II with symptoms of severe depression and mania, and said that on the day of the killings,
on January 24, 2023, Ms. Clancy was frankly psychotic.
that Lindsay heard a command hallucination and had a delusion of influence.
Not only did she hear a command, but she felt that her body was taken over by an external force where she was in a dream state.
And in his professional opinion, she was
unable to conform her conduct to the requirements of the law on the day that she took the lives of her children.
and that Lindsay believed her children would not be able to live without her.
Clancy believed that a distorted belief that her children would just be miserable, and she could not imagine them continuing to exist and have a decent life without her being there as a mother.
In the afternoon, jurors heard from a rebuttal witness.
There's no reason that psychosis in of itself inhibits a person's ability to know right from wrong.
Who told them the details of the killings as he heard them from her.
That she took Dawson down to the basement.
Saying out loud, "Go to God."
And said Lindsay could appreciate the wrongfulness of her actions.
Yes, and her thoughts about the idea that if anyone knew what I was thinking, the children might be taken away from me.
Kevin Reddington was forceful in his cross-examination. That went on for much of the afternoon and is not done. Dr. Mack will be back on the stand on Monday, and we expect for closing arguments to come at some point next week. I'm live in Plymouth, Nicole Moeder, NBC 10 News.